同学们，大家好，欢迎回到 Areteem 数学魔法课堂。上一集中，我跟丈魔法师给同学们表演了2次扑克魔法，丈相当厉害，都猜对了。在这一集里面，我们用中英双语给大家讲解这个数学魔法里面的玄机。掌。
So in a deck of cards, there are 4 different suits. Since we dealt out 5 cards, 2 of these cards have to share the same suit. This is what's called the pigeonhole principle. Let's look at the cards from the previous example. 2 of the cards were the same suit, the 5 of diamonds and the 8 of diamonds. The remaining 3 cards were the 6 of spades, the 10 of hearts, and the 10 of clubs. We start by deciding which card to hide. In this case, we're going to hide the larger of the 2 diamonds, the 8 of diamonds.
好，我来翻译一下刚才丈讲的这个原理。一副扑克牌一共有4个花色，我们就用刚才这5张牌为例。这5张牌里面呢，一定有2张牌的花色是一样的。这个在中文叫做抽屉原则，英文呢就叫 pigeonhole principle。现在这5张牌里面的花色相同的是方片5和方片8。我们呢把这个比较大的一张藏起来，我们藏起这张方片8。
To lay out the 4 cards, the 5 of diamonds must be first. This card serves 2 purposes. 1, we keep track of the suit, the diamonds, and we're also going to use the number 5 later on. How are we going to use the number 5? Well, we're going to rearrange the last 3 cards to help us get from 5 to 8.
好，我接着翻译。我们剩下的4张牌里面，第1张要用方片5。这方片5有两个作用。第一呢是它的花色，我们用这方片就表示我们藏起来这张牌也是方片。第二呢是这个5，这个数字也有用。在后面我用另外3张牌的排法来表示，我们需要在5加上3，最后等于8。
So how do we lay out the 3 remaining cards? Well, first, we need to define an order on those cards. This is easy if all the cards have different values. We treat an ace as 1, jack as 11, queen as 12, and king as 13.
好，我再来翻译一下。那剩下的这个3张牌怎么排法呢？首先，我们得把这52张牌规定一个次序。假如说这些牌都是不同的点数就容易了，按点数从小到大排。没有点数的牌呢，我们这样来规定。Ace 呢就是1，勾呢就是11，Q 呢是12，K 是13。
So what happens if 2 cards have the same suit? Well, then we use bridge order or alphabetical order. Clubs is the smallest, then diamonds, then hearts, and then spades. For example, our 10 of clubs is smaller than the 10 of hearts. So using these rules for our 3 cards, the 6 of spades is the smallest, then the 10 of clubs is the medium card, and the 10 of hearts is the largest.
好，现在呢，如果这个点数一样怎么办？那我们按这个4种花色给它排一下序。最小的是草花，最大的是黑桃，方片是第2小，红桃是第2大。按这个次序呢，就是桥牌的次序，也可以说呢是英文名称的字母次序。像这样一来呢，我们刚才说的这个草花10就比红桃10要小，所以这3张牌的顺序呢，就是黑桃6最小，草花10居中，红桃10最大。
So now we arrange the 3 cards according to the following rule. For +1, we do small, medium, large. For +2, we do small, large, medium. For +3, we do medium, small, large. For 4, we do medium, large, small. For +5, we do large, small, medium. And finally, for +6, we do large, medium, small.
好，下面呢这3张牌我们要按这样的规则来排出来。如果是要加1，我们就需要做小、中、大；如果要加2呢，就需要排小、大、中；如果要加3，就需要排中、小、大。要加4呢， 就得排中、大、小。如果要加5的话就得排大、小、中。如果要加6，就得排大、中、小。这就是这个规则。
So we hid the 8 of diamonds and put down the 5 of diamonds, so we need +3. That is medium, small, large. In our case, the 10 of clubs was medium, the small was the 6 of spades, and 10 of hearts was large.
好，我们藏起来的是方片8，显出来的呢是方片5，所以需要加3。加3的话，在这个规则里面呢，就应该是中、小、大。所以呢，这个第一张就得是草花10，是居中的这张牌。第二张呢，就是黑桃6，是小的那张牌。然后第三张是红桃10，是比较大的那张。
With the cards laid out, the math magician looks at them and immediately calculates the hidden card, the 8 of diamonds.
所以现在魔法师上来一看这4张牌，马上就可以说出来，这藏起来这张牌是方片8。
So, what happens if the 2 cards that have the same suit have a difference greater than 6? For example, instead of the 5 and the 8, what happens if we have the 4 and the jack? Remember, the jack is 11, so the difference between these 2 cards is 7. How can we represent 7 with only 6 arrangements?
好，这有同学可能问了，要万一这两个数差的大于6怎么办？比如说吧，我们不是5和8，现在是方片4和方片勾。记住刚才说了，这个勾呢是11，11减4等于7。这个7怎么办？我们刚才说那规则可是最多到加1到加6，加6现在大于6了，是不是没法玩了呀？
Don't worry. In this case, we will hide the smaller card, the 4 of diamonds, and display the jack of diamonds. Then we'll rearrange the cards large, medium, small. 10 of hearts, 10 of clubs, and finally the 6 of spades. This means +6.
好，现在呢，实际上刚才张老师解释了，我们这回啊，把这个方片勾给亮出来，把那个方片4藏起来，然后剩下3张牌呢，按照这个大的、中和小这个顺序排。这顺序记住刚才的规则是要加6的，所以要现在排到这儿就相当于把这个11加上6。
How come? How can 11 plus 6 be 4? Well, remember that there are only 13 different values. So if we count up 6 from 11, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, look, it really is 4.
好，这没关系啊。咱们现在想记住这个每一张花色，每一套花色一共是13张牌。那么我们如果数的超过13了怎么办呢？从1再重新开始。像刚才是从11开始的，11往上数6个数，12、13、14、15，这不行了，是12、13、1、2、3、4，刚好是4，正好是4啊。
So remember, if the 2 cards of the same suit have a difference up to 6, we hide the larger one. Otherwise, we hide the smaller number. One of these will always work.
好，现在就要大家记住这个规律。如果这两个数的差别呢不超过6，就把大的藏起来；如果要超过6了呢，就把小的藏起来。在算的时候，只要超过13，就回到1，重新开始。这样的话呢，两者必居其一，总可以办得到的。
I hope you enjoyed learning math and English with me today. I hope you go and practice the trick with your friends and show it off to your relatives. And I think with a little practice, you can become even a better math magician than me.
好，我希望你们今天学会了这个魔法，回去给你们的家人和朋友表演，练习一下，你们也会成为更好的数学魔法师。
So in a deck of cards, there are 4 different suits. A deck of cards. A deck of cards. This is what's called the pigeonhole principle. Pigeonhole principle. Pigeonhole principle. Let's look at the cards from the previous example. Previous. Previous. So how do we lay out the 3 remaining cards? Lay out. Lay out. Well, first, we need to define an order on those cards. Define. Define. Well, then we use bridge order or alphabetical order. Alphabetical. Alphabetical. Clubs is the smallest, then diamonds, then hearts, and then spades. Club, diamond, heart, spade. Club, diamond, heart, spade. I hope you go and practice the trick with your friends and show it off to your relatives. Relative. Relative. And I think with a little practice, you can become even a better mathematician than me. Mathemagician. Mathemagician.
我们数学魔法学院还会继续推出更多的课程，欢迎您继续关注。谢谢您的收看，我们下期再见。
再见。